Do you believe Russia or Ukraine has the most beautiful women? Then you probably haven't been to Amsterdam. The Netherlands is one of the most popular countries in Europe, so much so that people from all around the world dream of living there or spending their holidays in this small but fascinating nation. Watch the full video to find out why, and don't forget to leave your opinion in the comment box below. Geographically, Netherlands is a small nation, about 41,500 square kilometers, roughly the size of Maryland. Hugs the North Sea to the north and west, Belgium south, Germany east. Much of it lies below sea level, protected by ingenious dikes and windmills. No mountains here. It's flat, green, and bike-friendly paradise. Population-wise, nearly 18 million call it home in 2025, with the famous capital Amsterdam's city proper at around 900,000, and its metro area swelling to 2.5 million peoples. Also, largest cities like Rotterdam, 655,000, The Hague, 560,000, Utrecht, 370,000, and Eindhoven, 240,000 peoples live. To the scores of tourists who visit each year, Amsterdam is known for its historical attractions, for its collections of great art, and for the distinctive color and flavor of its well-preserved old sections. Since the mid-1960s, Amsterdam has been known also for a permissive and accepting atmosphere. Planning a trip to the Netherlands' iconic capital and wondering, is Amsterdam expensive? The straightforward answer is yes. Amsterdam is expensive compared to most European cities, ranking among the pricier destinations in Western Europe. Wait few seconds, I explain how expensive. As you walk through Amsterdam, you feel the mix of past and present. Old bridges, modern cafes, tulips everywhere, bicycles rushing by, boats moving through canals. It's a city where life flows smoothly. And the best part is how people treat each other. There is respect, equality, and freedom everywhere, things that create real happiness. But of course, no documentary about Amsterdam would be complete without mentioning its famous freedoms. The Netherlands was one of the first countries in the world to legalize same-sex marriage, support LGBTQ+ rights, and create open laws for adult content. Many tourists get shocked by how normal these things are for Dutch people. But for them, freedom is simple. As long as you don't harm anyone, live your life how you want. This open-minded attitude is another reason Dutch society feels peaceful and relaxed. If I don't show Amsterdam's red light street, you might not understand why Amsterdam is so attractive to tourists. Amsterdam's red light district, called De Wallen, is Europe's most famous and biggest red light area. It is in the center of Amsterdam. There are 300 small rooms or windows. Sex workers stand in these windows under red neon lights. The sex workers are free to set their own prices, based on the client's wishes. However, to give you an indication, in most brothels, the tariffs start between €50 and €100 for a short, 10 to 15 minutes, basic service. The place gets very busy at night. Red lights shine on the canal water, and crowds fill the streets. Besides sex work, you can find sex shops, sex theaters, peep shows, sex museums, cannabis museums, and coffee shops where marijuana is sold. There are also restaurants, bars, and places for adult fun. In the Netherlands, sex work is legal and controlled by rules. This makes the area safe and well organized. It stays lively until 2 to 3 a.m., then gets quiet. Some spots use blue lights to show the worker is transgender or not born female. Tourists like it a lot because it shows Amsterdam's free and open culture. People there do not feel shame about sex or weed. Many visitors come from curiosity to learn about real sex work and how it works. It gives special experiences like live sex shows, peep shows, and museums that teach about sex. The area is mostly safe day and night, which draws more people. It is in the city center, easy to reach, and part of the fun nightlife. The people of Netherlands are calm, polite, and deeply respectful to other persons. They prefer honesty, independence, and simple living. In terms of size, the Dutch occupy the position of the tallest people in the world, with average heights of approximately 183 centimeters, 6 feet for men, and 170 centimeters, 5 feet 7 inches for women. They straightforward, work hard, high-educated, but always with balance. And the women? Stunningly beautiful, having blue eyes, blonde hair, and a slim build, with that natural glow from fresh air and active lifestyles. They're empowered, high education, career-driven, yet family-oriented. Many juggle jobs, biking commutes, and social lives with ease. Dutch men and women both start working at a young age, usually part-time in cafes or shops while studying. Jobs in the Netherlands pay well, and work culture is relaxed. People don't live for work, they work to live. It's one of the biggest secrets of their happiness. Religion? In 2025, over half, 56%, claim no religion. It's secular heaven. Catholics make up 17%, Protestants 14%, Muslims 6%, and others 7%. Tolerance reigns. Churches, mosques, and synagogues coexist peacefully. Viewers, does a secular society appeal to you? Share your thoughts. Living in Amsterdam is beautiful, exciting, and full of freedom, but it is also one of the most expensive cities in Europe. The cost of living here depends on your lifestyle, but overall, it's higher than most European countries. A small one-bedroom apartment in the city center can cost between €1,600 to €2,200 per month, while outside the center it may be €1,200 to €1,600. Shared rooms are cheaper, but still not very low because demand is high and space is limited. Groceries for one person usually cost about €250 to €350 per month if you cook at home. Eating out is pricey. A simple restaurant meal is 15 to 20 euros, and a coffee costs around 3 to 4 euros. Most people use bicycles, which is free after the initial cost. Public transport monthly pass is around 100 to 120 euros. Taxis are expensive, so people use them only when necessary. Every adult must pay for basic health insurance, which costs around 120 to 150 euros per month, depending on the company and coverage. Other costs: Internet, 35 to 50 euros. Utilities, electricity, heating, water, 150 to 220 euros per month. Mobile plan, 15 to 25 euros. Overall, a single person needs around 2,000 to 2,800 euros per month to live comfortably in Amsterdam. It's costly, but the quality of life, safety, transportation, and work-life balance make many people feel it's worth it. But Netherlands. Taxes are so high, sometimes up to 50%, but Dutch citizens don't complain much. Why? Because they see results. Taxes build everything: clean streets, safe cities, high-quality education, amazing public transport, good health care, and one of the most efficient governments in the world. People say, you get what you pay for, and in the Netherlands, you really do. Economy? Rock solid in 2025. GDP around $1.35 trillion. Per person, GDP per capita, the Netherlands is also very wealthy, around $51,000 to $68,000 depending on the measurement. Growth at 1.3 to 1.9%. Advanced. Tech, agriculture, world's rank 2 exporter despite size, ports, finance. Unemployment low, job security high, no sudden layoffs. Wages rise faster than inflation, minimum around €3,000 gross. Netherlands consistently ranks among the top happiest countries because people here live a balanced life. Work ends early, stress is low, and family time is important. People don't chase luxury. They choose comfort, health, and freedom. They love being outdoors, cycling everywhere, and spending time with friends in cozy cafes. And you'll notice something special. Dutch society is extremely open, honest, and relaxed. People are not afraid to speak their mind, but they do it with kindness. This sense of freedom and acceptance is a huge reason for the country's happiness. Another reason is safety and trust. The Netherlands is one of the safest countries in Europe. Children ride bicycles to school, people walk freely at night, and trust is built into the culture. When trust exists, stress disappears, and happiness grows. Cities beyond Amsterdam? Plenty. Rotterdam, Europe's largest port, boasts futuristic architecture and a gritty, cool vibe. The Hague hosts international courts, peace capital. Utrecht charms with medieval canals and universities. Eindhoven's tech hub, Haarlem's artsy escape, and 's-Hertogenbosch, Den Bosch, offers historic vibes. Each has its flavor, connected by seamless trains. Amsterdam, though? Iconic with its 17th century rings of canals, a UNESCO gem. Look around the homes and architecture. Dutch houses are narrow, tall, and full of character. Big windows, colorful doors, and charming canal houses make the city feel warm and romantic. Inside, homes are cozy and bright, decorated with simple furniture and warm lights. Dutch people love minimalism. They keep their homes clean, organized, and peaceful. Many apartments are small, but beautifully designed. The architecture shows the Dutch personality: simple, practical, artistic, and smart. If you enjoyed this journey and inspired to visit, tell me in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos. Until next adventure, goodbye.